Okay, is this better? Okay, can everyone hear me? There we go. That's better. Okay. All right, so we're gonna go over your locked leg kick. Since no one can hear me before, I'm instructor Alex. I'm one of the instructors from West Roxbury, and we're gonna go over your kicking. We're gonna go over your locked leg kick, front snap kick, and front thrust kick. If we can get through it with your front thrust kick. Your locked leg kick, make sure the knee is straight. You want to make sure the knee's not bent when you come up. So make sure the knee's not here. It's gonna be locked out as you come up as high as you can. You want to make sure the knee is locked out as you kick out. So the knee is straight, as high as you can, and back down. And make sure the toes are pulled back. So if you have trouble with that, what you can work on is you come up off the heel, like you're standing on your toes, and from here you'll come up, and keep that foot position, and pick up as high as you can with the knee straight. So I'm going to come up off the heel for a second, keep the knee locked out, as high as you can and back down. So when we're here, the knee is locked out, keep the toes back as high as you can. One thing to work on if you think that locked leg kick's getting a little bit easier, right? Try to see if you can get even higher, try to get your foot flat towards the ceiling. So as you're kicking up, your foot is facing the ceiling while you're standing, but it's down. So that's your locked leg kick. You want to make sure your toes are back, knee is straight. Next one is front snap kick. Front snap kick, you want to break it down a little bit. You're going to bring the knee up to the chest and back down. From here, you're going to bring the knee up and back down. You're going to bring the knee up as high as you can. Try to touch the chest, try to touch the shoulder, and then back. The next one, you're going to flick out to the front. So from here, you're going to bring the knee up, and you're going to extend, flick and pull back, and from there. Facing this direction, you're going to bring the knee up to the shoulder, you're going to bring the knee all the way up, and you're going to flick when it touches your chest. So you're going to bring the knee as high as you can, fully extend, and then pull back. The big part about front snap kick is the pull back. So we're here, you come up, flick, and then set it back from there. From there, you want to make sure you pull back a lot quicker than you push forward. So when I'm here, and if I just push forward, there's not much there. But if I snap back a little bit more, there's a little bit more push to it. What you can do is if you have something to work on, or next time we see you in the lesson, right, something to work on to really make sure your front snap is doing well. When you're here, you're kicking as hard as you can, try to extend and pull back, and flip slightly. So from there, the next one, your front thrust kick out of the foot. For your front snap, let's start again, arm in front, you're bringing the knee up to the chest, back down. And you're bringing the knee as high as you can, you're going to extend and pull back. Now, just like your front or your locked leg kick with your front snap kick, you want to make sure the toes are pulled back, so you're not hitting with your toes, right? If you kick the wall as hard as I want with my toes, it's going to hurt, right? But if I pull the toes back from here, I can kick as hard as I want, it's not going to hurt that much, right? You want to make sure you can ball the foot here, right? One thing to work on is if you're having trouble with the toes, you're going to come up off the heel, just like your locked leg kick. Knee comes up, try to keep that foot position with the toes back, fully extend, hit, and then from there, pull back, set. And the toes are pulled back the entire time. So all together on the side, knee comes up, pull the toes back, and then from there, extend, pull back, set. All together, you're going to bring the knee up, toes back, flick, and pull back. Now we're going to bring it all together, knee comes up, toes pull back, extend forward and back. Right. And from there, knee comes up, toes come back, fully extend. All right, last one, you're going to work on your front thrust kick. So your front thrust kick, your snap kick is kind of like a jab, you're going to double the person over, whereas your front thrust kick is kind of shoving the person away. So earlier with the pad, snap kick is here. The pad flips slightly, right? With your front thrust kick, you want to shove the pad away. So when we're here, we tuck in, we hug the knee, and you're pushing forward with the hip, and it shoves the pad off to the side. As far as your front thrust kick, you want to tuck in as much as you can, shoot forward with the hip. So let's try it together. Your arms are in front, knee comes up, and back down. Knee comes up, now from here you're going to tuck like you're hugging your knee, but don't grab it just yet. You're going to hug the knee, and then from there you're going to push forward with the hip and extend in front. You don't want to lean back too much, but it's normal to lean back just a little bit. Let's try the other side, arms are in front. Just so you can see on this side, knee comes up, you're going to tuck in like you're going to hug your knee, but don't hug it yet. From here, you're going to push the hip forward and extend and pull back. So your front snap kick flicks and snaps back. Your front thrust kick comes in, tuck, push, and that one's shooting straight forward. That one's more like your plunge, where you're shoving. So when we're over here, arms are in front, knee comes up, tuck in the knee, Try to hug it as much as you can without touching, and then from there, shoot the hip forward and extend. So all together, your lock leg kick, front snap kick, front thrust kick. Let's try it together. Ready? Lock leg kick. Make sure your knee is straight. Toes are pulled back. Work as high as you can. All the way up and back down. That's your lock leg kick. One more time. 1 and 2. Front snap kick. You're going to bring the knee up. Toes pulled back, just like your lock leg kick. You're going to flick in front and then pull back. So arms are in front. Knee comes up. Pull the toes back. You're going to flick and snap back in front. So try together, last couple times through on your front snap kick, arms are in front, knee comes up, flick, and pull back. Really make sure the toes are pulled back on this one so you don't hit anything with your toes. So make sure you're hitting with the ball of the foot. One more time, bring it up, flick, and pull back. Last one, front thrust kick. Is in this direction, arms are in front, you're going to bring the knee up, hug the knee, and then from there, push forward, toes are back, and extend from there. So your toes are back on all 3 of the kicks. You're not hitting with the toes as you kick. Don't want to hurt anything with the foot. So we're here, one more time, arms are in front, knee comes in, pull the toes back, hug the knee, and then extend, push, and sit back. Last time through, knee comes up, tuck the knee, toes are back, and extend, thrust forward, and push. So those are your first 3 fundamental kicks, right, as far as white belt is concerned. First sections, we're going to go over jump, front, snap kick another time, and then later on, the third section up, we're actually going to go, or second section up, excuse me, we're going to go over some of your other advanced kicks for your jump, front, snap kick. For example, alternating jump, front, snap kick, which you'll see later here, and then moving forward from there, we're going to move on in a different lesson. But for today, that's the fundamental, is make sure you work on your lock leg kick, your front snap kick, and your front thrust kick. If anyone has any questions, feel free to type it in at any point in the live chat, or if you come over a question and you forgot it, you can send us an email later on with that too. As far as the kicks go, that's the fundamental basics for it. Lock leg kick, knee is straight, front snap kick, knee is up, flick forward and back, front thrust kick, knee up, hug the knee, and then push forward. Now, as far as self-defense goes with your front snap kick, we're going to work on how to block a front snap kick, right? So we're going to have 2 tight fists. Make sure the thumbs are over the fingers. You're going to hold it up like you got big muscles. From here, you're going to step back, and you're going to X-block in front. The wrists are crossed here, and they're not too shallow, they're not overlapping each other, and they're not way out here with the elbows. You want to make sure the wrists are crossed just a little bit. And that way, when we catch, you're going to have the foot catch right in between here as you X-block. So let's try that together. Ready, feet are in. 2 tight fists, make sure the thumbs are over the fingers, and thumbs are in, just like this. You're going to step back, cross the wrist, and that's your X-block. Again, arms are in front, step back, X block. Now we're going to step forward, attack. So we're going to keep the fist, you're going to bring it into the chest, step forward, push. Now, if this is hitting, is you want to make sure you're hitting either here or here, if you can reach it, mostly here by the chin. So what we're doing there is you pull in, and then you're going to step forward. You're going to use that block as an attack. So push forward and hit from there. So all together, feet together, facing this way. 2 tight fists, you're going to step back, X block. From here, pull in, you're going to keep the hand position, keep the wrist crossed, step forward, and strike from there. Make sure you're hitting chin height. Use your chin. If you don't have like a dummy or anything like that, or no partner to work this with, then make sure you're using your own body, use your own chin to kind of go through this. So let's try it again. Feet together, self-defense for front snap kick. Ready? 2 tight fists, step back, X block, hit. Keep the wrist crossed, pull in, and step forward, hit. And again, that's chin height, chin height. So, just to go over everything one more time, we went over lock leg kick, front snap kick, front thrust kick, and then we also did the self-defense, blocking a front snap kick. So, all together, it's in this direction, lock leg kick, make sure your knee is straight, you're kicking as high as you can. We're not kicking here, right? Knee is straight, as high as you can, back down. Front snap kick, knee comes up, you're gonna flick forward, and pull back. All together, knee comes up, flick and pull. From a thrust kick, the last kick that we did today, knee comes in, tuck in as much as you can. You're going to hug your knee, push forward, and then thrust back. So arms are in front, knee comes up, hug the knee, and then push, step back from there. The last one is your self-defense for a front snap kick. If someone's going towards you here, right? We're stepping back, X block in front, make sure you don't bend your head over so you don't get hit on the way over. Make sure your back is somewhat straight. Pull in, step forward, hit. Last time through, facing this way. Arms are up just like this. Step back, X block, Pull in, keep the arms away there, keep the wrists crossed, step forward, hip, and extend. Okay. So that's today's lesson. That's your fundamental kicking as far as the lower belts go, as far as white belts through third sections. That's a lot of your fundamental kicking as far as like your front-oriented kicks. Later on, we'll be going over the higher belts jump front snap kick and some of your more advanced kicks, arm kick and side kick from there. But if you have any questions, please let me know. You can type it into the chat on the side. And also, if you haven't already, also type in your name and which school that you're normally from. So for example, for me, I would type in Instructor Alex, West Roxbury onto the side. If anyone has any questions, feel free to type it in and also just kind of chime in to let me know who is watching at the moment. So other than that, that's today's lesson. It's lock leg kick, front snap kick, front thrust kick, and then it's self-defense for your front snap kick. So I'm just going to take a couple seconds or maybe a minute or two just to kind of see if anyone has any questions. And other than that, we're going to finish up for the day. So if you have any last questions as far as your lock leg kick, front snap, front thrust, or your self-defense for your front snap kick, let me know. Otherwise, we will see you next time. Okay. All right. Okay. So I don't see anything. So for now, again, my name is Instructor Alex. I'm one of the instructors for the kids and the adults at the West Roxbury School. So if you have any questions that you didn't get to type in or anything like that, then please send any of the instructors an email. We can answer it that way too, especially for me. I can definitely send you back an email if you have any questions like that. So other than that, we will see you all on Friday. Have a good day. Goodbye.